I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm going to show you 2 easy DIY projects. I'm going to do a Kmart hack on 2 Kmart mirrors and give that Anthropologie look. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I'm always decorating on a budget, and I love to do DIYs to show you that you can have a very expensive look for less. So here I'm going to start with Kmart's Black Arch Mirror. Now this retails for just $40, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it all up. I'm going to take it outside and give it 2 coats of gold spray paint. Also, I'm going to spray these decorative fretwork. Now I have 2 small and 1 large, and I'm going to spray paint those gold as well. Now I picked these up from eBay guys, and I'll leave them linked down below. Now we just got out of lockdown here in Australia guys, and I had just had my nails done the day before I filmed this video. So I walked around the house trying to find gloves, and I just found this bath glove. So I use this to protect my nails.
Maybe I could have seen it all coming. For each day.
Now once everything was completely dry, I brought the mirror inside, and I'm taking off the paper here.
Where nothing makes sense anymore.
Now this is the larger of the fretwork, and I had 2 of these guys, and I spray painted them both gold as well. So once everything was completely dry, I then hot glued the fretwork in place. So now I'm showing you my second DIY. Now this is also a Kmart mirror guys, and all I'm going to do is take that second large fretwork and glue it to the top. I really loved how the mirror was already gold. Now guys, I absolutely love the French provincial look, and I love French provincial mirrors. Now the Anthropologie mirror that you see that is really on trend can retail up to $1,500, and for a small one they're around $500–600. I refuse to pay that price for a mirror guys, and I knew that I could get the look for less by using Kmart items.
Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go wanna see the light.
Now guys, you can get this look for less from any form of arched mirror or even using round mirrors. I've also seen DIYs, guys, where they use a square or oblong shaped mirror and just add all the fretwork around. I think these are stunning ways to do an inexpensive way of decorating but get that high-end look.
People forget and you get another try.
Now this decorative fretwork is inexpensive as well, and I'll leave it linked down below. I do pick it up from eBay, guys, but I know you can also get this sort of stuff on Amazon.
Ever I look, I'm blinded by the light. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
Over the many years of being on YouTube, I've shared many videos, guys, of showing you ways where you can decorate for less. You can get the look for less by really researching and looking out there for things that may have that look about it but just need a little makeover. I absolutely love spending many hours going over Pinterest and looking at my favourite Instagram accounts and seeing how I can make a look very, very inexpensive but have that high-end look about it.
I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light. I just wanna see the light.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle and I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to decorate my home and share DIY projects, inspirational ideas and home tours of my home. Now, if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
But it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try.
You can also give me a follow over on Instagram at Chelle's Glam Home too. And guys, I've just joined TikTok. I have no idea what I'm doing on TikTok, but I have created a few videos over there and will start posting daily as well. So if you'd like to follow me over there, I'm at Chelle's Glam Home.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Sometimes
Now guys, I really appreciate your feedback here on my channel. I want you to let me know what type of videos you'd like to see next. Now, I know we've got Christmas coming up. I was in the shops yesterday and all the Christmas trees are out and all the decorations, and I'm like, wow, I'm really behind when it comes to planning ahead on what videos to share for Christmas. So if there's a particular video that you would like to see, please leave a comment down below and I'll definitely try to do that for you. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to doing a DIY Anthropologie inspired mirror using Kmart Australia items.
but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!